Hello YouTube, welcome back to Case Technologies. In today's video, we're going to be talking about how to use the shell command to execute raw Linux commands or Windows commands, whatever your remote host may be, and for whatever reason you may need to do that. So let's go ahead and begin. Take a look at the actual shell module first. So the shell module will allow you to change directories, actually issue the actual command with arguments. You can create a file name, executables, freeform. Allows you to run a freeform command to run as a string. It removes the file. So set the standard in, whether to append a new line to standard data, and then it also issue a warning. Some other related commands are modules are command raw, script, and Windows shell. And here are some examples here. All right, so let's go ahead and begin. And I'm just going to go ahead and create a new file. And let's call this the shell playbook. I'm going to go ahead and set this up. Start with your 3 dashes for the YAML file. And we're going to call this shell execution. And the host, we're going to do all because I want it to be ran on all hosts. And then I have to set the vars up for me. And you may have to do this if you have any problems with your Python interpreter on your remote machine. And then we're going to step into our task. Oops, I spelled task right. Alright. We're going to call this one job 1. And this first one, we're going to get storage information and we're going to save it to a file. I'm just going to save it for a file right now, but if you're working in the AWS environment, something like that, you can do it where this is saved to S3 or something like that. But I'm just going to do df-h, and then we're going to pipe that, or not pipe, but send that output to home case. Right now we're going to send it to temp output dot or storage.txt, and then we're going to execute another command and call it job 2. And this is going to be list home directory. And we're also going to use a shell command. And in that we're going to say ls shell on the human readable form ls, and we want a nice list. So then we're going to output that to the temp directory as well, and we're just going to say directory.txt, and we should be good. Let's look over it really quickly to make sure there's no issues. So minimize that. So we have shell execution for the overall playbook name, and then we're going to have job 1. We're going to get the storage off of the CentOS 8 devices. And then we're going to get execute job 2 and list the home directory contents. Oh, almost forgot. So I have to specify the home dir, or we can use the module contents and do change dir. Let's go ahead and verify that that's correct by looking at the actual module here. All right, so I have to add the args first and then change dir. All right, or nope, I can just do where my command is and change dir, or args and change dir. We're gonna go with args change dir. All right, let's keep that in mind. Args and I'm too far over with the args. Let's go to there we go. It's perfect, and this should work. So let's go ahead and execute this job. I'm gonna say Ansible playbook, shell playbook is what we want to run. -I host if you're running local host like me and not the default Etsy Ansible host file. We're not using that, so, or at least I'm not using that. -U case for my username on my remote devices, and -K for the password. And voila, it looks like it's done. But we have to verify. So let me go ahead and log into my host. Real quick, let me log in. I have to go check my VMs. All right, let's clear this out. So another video. So let's see. That's it. All right, clear. All right, so let's cat the contents from the temp directories where we said, and we have storage, that text, and voila, there we go. So it was created. We have the storage file. Let's clear it and see if the other file was created. Cat temp directory.txt, and it was created as well. And there you go. That's how you can utilize the shell module and Ansible to help you run raw commands on the device and make custom scripts or custom functionality to help your day-to-day. Remember, like, comment, and subscribe, and let me know if you'd like to see anything else similar or related to this.